Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 2 of the course Google Cloud Computing Foundations. Okay. So this week number 2 consists of in total of 10 number of questions, and we will start from question number 1. Question number 1 is, which of the following GCP services aid us to run Windows and Linux based virtual machines? Options are Compute Engine, Google App Engine, Kubernetes Engine, and all of the above. So the option that is correct is Compute Engine. Okay, that is option number A. For question number 1, option A will be the correct answer. Moving to the next question, that is question number 2. Question is, what is the maximum size of the persistent disk that can be attached to a virtual machine in Google Compute Engine? Options are 32 GB, 32 TB, 64 GB, 64 TB. So the correct answer will be 64 TB for this question. Okay, that is option number B. D. For question number 3, option D will be the correct answer. Question number 3 is, Con- containerized applications can be deployed, managed, and scaled on Google using which service? Options are Compute Engine, Google App Engine, Kubernetes Engines, none of the above. So the correct answer will be option number C, that is Kubernetes Engine. Okay. Question number 5 is, say 5 VMS are running in a managed group with CPU utilization of 80%, 70%, 75%, 85%, and 90% respectively. How many VMS would the autoscaler add if the targeted CPU utilization is 50%? Options are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So when you calculate it, then you will find that the answer will come out as option number D, that is 3. Okay. Question number 5 is multiple select option on question. We have to select multiple answers for this question. Question is, which of the following could be an event that can trigger cloud functions? Options are files added to the Google storage, a new virtual machine instance is created, changes occurred in database, none of the above. So the answer for question number 5 will be option number A and C. Okay, files added to the Google storage, and the second one answer is changes occurred in database, that is option number A and C for question number 5. Question number 6 is, which cloud service model provides the most control over the computing environment while still abstracting the underlying hardware? Options are IaaS, infrastructure as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, SaaS, software as a service, and FaaS, function as a service. So the answer for this question will be IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, that is mentioned in option number A. So the answer for question number 6 will be option A, IaaS. Question number 7 is, consider the following statements. Two statements are given. We have to choose the correct one. Okay. So the first statement is, serverless computing abstracts infrastructure management tasks from the developer. Option number statement 2 is, serverless computing allows developers to run code without provisioning or managing servers. Which of the following is correct? Only one, only two, only one and two. None of them are correct. So the answer for question number 7 will be option number A, C. That is both 1 and 2 statements are correct. Question number 8 is, how can cloud functions integrate with other services in the Google Cloud Platform? Options are through direct API calls, by subscribing to events from services like pub, sub, or cloud storage, by making SQL queries to manage the databases, by accessing virtual machine instances using SSH. So the correct answer for this question will be option number B. Okay, by subscribing to events from services like pub, sub, or cloud storage. Question number 9 is, fill in the blanks. We just have to fill the blanks. Option question is, Kubernetes is dash and Docker is a dash. Options are virtual operating system and container and container orchestration tool, container orchestration tool, or container or virtual operating system. So the correct answer for this question will be option number C, that is container orchestration tool will be filled in the first blank, and container will be filled in the second blank. Okay, option C will be the correct answer for question number 9. Last question is, which statement best describes Google App Engine, that is GAE? Options are: GAE allows you to manage virtual machines directly. GAE automatically scales your application based on incoming traffic. GAE supports only Python programming language. GAE requires you to manage the underlying infrastructure and scaling manually. Before telling you the correct answer, viewers, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for getting upcoming week answers. Like the video if it helps you at any instant, and please share it with needy ones. Okay, so the correct answer for question number 10 will be option number B. Okay, GAE automatically scales your application based on incoming traffic. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. Thank you.